egg slut with now you don't talk.
What do you want me to say? You're putting me on the spot, bang.
Just finished eating egg slut with I didn't properly introduce this man.
Hi, I'm the friend to the slut.
No, that's Samuzaki. Okay. Oh my, what an documentary angle and the horse gets it. Damn.
This is the child predator. He has struck 7 schools. 5 boys, 6 girls, 10 dogs. Sure, he's aiming for... Oh, and he misses the pin. Another child escapes his grasp.
As some of you may have heard recently from the news, Singapore Turf Club is closing down. So now, the horse is trying to find a new profession, and it looks like bowling. Bowling may just not be it, unfortunately. Then, wonder what's going on in his mind now. Where's my water? Which tub do I wanna lick from? My hooves are too hard. Looks like his hooves are very well sculpted.
Koto is having his go.
So you know in ML, when you run out of words, the next best thing is...
Oh, wait.
Oh shit, that's actually not bad. Damn.
Just do a bit worse than now. Yeah, we need a reason to call you Konto. Come on, it's the only selling point you have. Konto!
Hey!
Konto. Jack Brennan has his goal again. He is calculating the most precise way to get to the 10 pins. Notice how I said 10 pins. That's surprisingly the way that he aims for every single time. Oh, gone down. And he hits about, I think, 8 pins. This is next strike.
Whoa. Some say the horse's cock is big. But unfortunately, this is the one exception. They actually had to get him checked. They were so concerned. Why am I All the other horses at the stable were like, bro, this man said that he was his own species. Can't even make the cut for reproduction. Damn. Look at that. So unelegant. So ungraceful.
You're fling your hair one time. Fling your hair sideways one time.
Bro, just remember last Tuesday. Remember last Tuesday.
Huh?
Oh. The way of small.
Yeah, for the memes. Caleb lah.
So I'm waiting for the boys right now, and I don't know where the fuck he is at. I really hope they didn't enter the wrong place. Well, it's kind of like 8:30 when they said like 7:45. They're kind of like 50 minutes late, but you know, we thrive on these situations. What the fuck? Unlock the door. Wait, what the shit?
Morning. Good morning.
What the?
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Hello, sir. Come, is this on the vlog?
It is on the vlog.
Moose, I need to get something from the glove company.
Okay, what do you need?
Wait, what the fuck? Does that thing just come off?
I want the vehicle inspection.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
What the hell?
I forgot they were listening to the Chinese radio.
What the hell? Explain what are we going through right now?
So, we're going to be driving to East Coast Park, and after that, we are going to skate from there to Marina Bay, and then we're gonna fight each other in a car park. Yeah.
I'll grab a Gojek driver today from East.
Holy shit.
What the fuck? What the shit? Hey, look at the road, man! Look at the road, not at me! What the? Fuck, I really look back at the camera!
Bro, you need to understand, right? You need to understand. Earlier, just now, right? He was telling me a story and he looked at me and I said, no!
Look at the front! You can't look back or look at anyone! When you're the driver, you look at the bloody road!
I got this, guys. I got this.
Trust.
We're gonna die.
It's fine. My time was
And keep in mind, vlog, I don't have a fucking seatbelt in the back, so, you know, well, if something goes wrong, I'm flying through first, that's for sure. It's a 6-seater, but you know, there's only seatbelts for 2, I guess.
7-seater. Okay.
7?
Yeah.
Oh, right. But
Yeah, bro. Don't fucking.
But there's only...
$15 per seat, bro.
Oh no.
You know that it's about you, baby.
Oh yeah.
Only you. 내가 힘들 때, 울 것 같을 때, 기운도 이제 나지 않을 때. It's you. 날 걱정하니, it's you. 어렵게 하니, 말은 해도 돼, but what do you say? 멀리든 언제든지 달려와. 따뜻한 척도 없이 난 나타나. 이게 말이 되니 난 물어봐. 너는 말야, it's only stepping in the system, baby. Oh my god, yes and now I was really hoping that it will come through. Oh my god, 질문뿐이야, asking all the time about what I should do. Now I can never let him go. 너만 생각나 24. 넌 행운 아야 정말로. I know. 널 알기 전까지는 나 의미 없었어. 전부 다 내 맘이 끝이 없는 걸. I know. I'm going crazy, right? 어디서
Hey, what? It's so cold. Okay, listen to me, okay? We are catching a predator today.
And now we see a natural predator in his wild habitat.
God, be really quiet. Never thought I would see one today. Stay low, stay low.
Stay low. Wait, I need to be behind you, you know?
Oh, he's coming, he's coming. He's seen us. Be ready, we need to stay on our toes.
What do we see in the wilderness?
I said I told you. I said this 1,000 times, but this is what happens when this particular design shot.
Naturally.
Oh, he's going.
Naturally. When Homo sapiens evolved, they
I know how
walk
to go
on
through
2
the
feet. Intellectual human beings tend to go for the easy way out.
Pull up.
So we're going from here to there.
Onwards.
And what time is it?
9:30.
Yes. Yes.
Hot! I don't want to go down.
It's actually hot.
Bro, I'm not going down on that.
Oh wait, what? Ooh, wow! Ow!
Yeah,
Ow!
yeah,
Ow!
let's
Ow!
take
Ow!
it
Ow! No.
It's probably like burning and shit.
Yo, walk down.
Oh, like a true surfer, dude.
The sheltered child.
My guy over there rowing, well, this guy over here, he's using this as a walking stick.
Yes, I don't want to do it on the road.
Oh, yo. You know what I told is, right?
What?
There is a slope down, right?
Yeah.
And he just took the stairs where he could have taken that.
Hold me, hold me, hold me.
Good to go, guys. Sorry. What the frick? Woo! That was a success. Okay. 好了吗？
好。
谢谢。
Yes, what are you looking at?
Dinosaur. So some say that's called a T-Rex, but I like to call it an F-Rex.
Actually, going away.
Nice.
No, let's just go back the same way. No, you're gonna turn you away. You're gonna die. You're gonna die.
You see on the news, idiot goes on highway with rollerblades.
No? I'm waiting for you
Listen,
to go.
all viewers, I have a message for you. When life gets tough, There's only one way to go, and it's forwards. Don't be like a Brendan. Brendan never goes forwards. He only stays in place. You know why he stays in place? Because they dig out his ass.
What the fuck? Yeah, because you went down at like nothing. I know what you're doing. Oh! Bad idea. Bad idea.
Last night, could we make it in? Do we have time?
I'll be the boyfriend in your wet dreams tonight. Noses on a rail, little virgin, where's the white? You cut your hair, but you used to live a blinded life. Wish I was there, wish we'd grown up on the same advice, and our time was right.
Keep a place for me, for me. I'll sleep between y'all. It's nothing, it's nothing, it's nothing. Keep a place for me.
Now and then you miss it, sounds make you cry. Some nights you dance with tears in your eyes. I came to visit you, 'cause you see me like a UFO. That's like never, 'cause I made you use your self-control.
Yeah.